This is the best way to categorize contents in PowerPoint instead of showing everything at the same time. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a clean slide system, stay till the end, and save your presentations. Part 1. Build the base layout with 3D shapes. Start by adding shape from Insert tab, Shapes, and draw a circle, holding Ctrl+Shift. Then click on this little arrow in Format tab, and now from right side menu, change its fill color and remove its outline. Next, from Effect tab, choose Shadow and change the details such as size, blur, angle, and distance. Then in 3D format, give it a top bevel, depth, and contour. Also change these two. After that, hold Ctrl and Shift, then drag it to duplicate. Repeat this step until you have 6 circles. Now that the basic structure is ready, let's add icons and adjust them. Part 2. Adding icons and adjusting them. From Insert tab, Icons, select icons that you want. Then click Insert button. Locate them in a correct place, 2 by 2 like this. Again, from Insert tab, this time add your text container from text box. To add your title, change its font and font size under Home tab. Now select each circle and the icons belong to. Then press Ctrl and G to group them. Let's see what will happen next. Part 3. Duplicate and transition structure. Duplicate the first slide using Ctrl+D. Then move the first circle to the top. After that, change the size and position of other circles. And from Format tab, Alignment, choose Distributed them horizontally. Change the title and I like to use pre-written text boxes. Again, duplicate the second slide, but this time swap the position of these 2 circles, like this. Duplicate this circle, resize it, and change its position with the first one. Then resize the first one and send it downwards. Repeat this cycle for all other circles. After that, delete nearby circle and change the title. Everything is ready. Now let's animate the slide the smart way. Part 4. Morph transition. Now select all slides, go to Transition tab, and apply Morph. This is the result. Instead of slides with repetitive design, you now have a clean step-by-step PowerPoint system that guides your audience visually. If this PowerPoint tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notification for more advanced PowerPoint tutorials. And tell me in the comment, which part of this slide system are you going to use first? Next week, next trick. Bye!